Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm drinking red wine. Cheers to you guys. Okay guys, today we are going to open something together. So while I was in UK, I decided to buy something. So I bought 3 pairs and some clothes, dresses and tops. So the box came yesterday and I was so excited, And the thing is, my main thing was just to buy 2 pairs of shoes, but I ordered 3 pairs of shoes. And I was like, 1 pair I will return, and yeah. So before I decided what to return, I had to try on and everything to see how it's going to be. And then eventually I have decided to keep 2 pairs, then 1 should be retained, and some clothes I have to return. They are not really fitting the way I want, beautiful pieces of clothes, but the way they are fitting, I don't like. So, about the shoes, then I went to tell my partner. I told him, about the shoes. Then he was like, okay, I love this and this. And he was like, oh yeah, that's great, take this and this, and then he's going to pay. Cheers. So guys, now let's open the boxes together. So guys, this is my first brand, and I'm so happy. This brand, everybody, I think not everybody, but a lot of you know how they do design their shoes, and I love the way the shoes are and everything, and yeah, let me just show you. It's something to do with flat now, not so much of high heels. So it's something that is you can wear maybe kind of like yeah, a pair of jeans all day and everything. So let me show you guys. Okay, I'm going to put this here. So this is what you can see. So you know what, I'm using my phone, and on my camera I have to do something to my camera, and I have to delete a lot of videos from my camera. Yeah, and then also I don't have my laptop where I can edit my videos for now. Yeah, so now let me show you this one, guys. This one, just look at the heel, this one. So my partner, when he saw the heel, was like, oh, he has never seen such type of of heels. I was like, yeah, so this is 1 pair. Here we have here, so cute. I love them. I love them. Now let me show you another one. I'm going to put this side. So we are going to open together and see what's here. This is my second pair, actually. It is my second. The other one, I was like, oh, I've worn too much this one, so let me just have. But this one, the problem is it's kind of like it's most of the time like special occasions, that's what I can say. When something like when there's opera, I can go and put on the shoes. Yeah, so you guys, you can see these shoes, I did put on. I had to try on several times, to be sure if I'm going to keep the shoes or not. So guys, I'm so happy to have these shoes. This is my second pair from Manolo, and the one I'm going to return is silver, and the heel is smaller, it's not so high like this one. I'm happy to have these shoes, guys. So guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I have a little bit of cold. Bye.